Hey guys, today I'm going on the SG Realm. Yes, I'm gonna download the resource pack. And the title of it was called Explosions. I don't really know what it's gonna be about, but we'll get into it. So, right now it's gonna take a few moments, like it says right on the screen. But, oh, obviously. But, but, please remember to click the like button and subscribe, and then click the bell so you'll be notified next time I post my new video. Because tomorrow's video is gonna be great. Oh no, what's happening? Oh no. Oh, okay, I'm good. Okay, so, I've been looking at it for a little bit, and, oh, this guy died. SG Explosion says it right up there, Sky Games. Um, and the rules say, their credit. Trenswin, Fogs Games, Jobatek, and Patomzix. Sorry if I say it wrong. I'm trying my best. Gain ZMC, Nicholas11, and thank you for the Realm Testers. Game producer, your Sempale's me. Cool, I like your name, dude. So let's see. What is this? The bomb planter. Wait. Pocket rocket. Bomb dropper. Sniper. Ranger. Ooh. I want to do the bomb dropper, but I think I'm just gonna go in order and uh, wait, is it gonna be almost done? No. Well, wait, there's TNT falling everywhere. I like this dude's skin. Oh, that's cool. It lights. Oh, well, as he moves, it kind of looks like he's blinking. But I'm gonna go in order with the bomb planter first, and yeah, hopefully. I don't know. Wait, you can fall off. Oh, sneak peek. Oh, Sky Mine. That's interesting. Wait, so SG Explosions. Ooh, I can't wait until it's ready. Alright, so it looks like a new game is about to start. Oh, wait. Oh no, it's starting right now, actually. Expect lag. Alright. This is gonna be interesting. We're in a really small room. Jet to Zach 27. Oh, prepare for explode. Or to explode. Oh! Oh, look at that. Wait. Nuke Ranger. Ooh. Gonna go up here. Hello! Down you go. Wait, what is this? Grenade. Wait, so like the Nuke Ranger looks, it's kind of like a bow. And what's this? Oh, this is probably like the Nuke period, probably just like the air. I hate you! No! Alright, TNT is now beginning to be summoned. Oh, what? Wait, where am I? Oh. Oh. So, I guess that's the bomb planter. Oh, wait. Oh, another. Oh, no, I didn't even. Alright. Just waiting for. Oh! Jetrat 2. And then you got Jack the 7. Okay, prepare to explode. Land safely, he says. Alright, so. Alright. Nuke Ranger. I'm gonna go for the grenade. What's in here? Oh, this is interesting. Alright. Wait, is this like Mario? Wait, can I open these? No? Okay, maybe not. Let's not open these. Do. Hey guys, if you haven't checked it out, I've actually made a Mario series based off my own map, which I sadly couldn't make public. But, you know, just a thought. Definitely try it out. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's TNT rain. Oh, no. Oh, no, I made a mistake coming here. No! No, 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 no! No! Oh... Wow. Down, like, oh. That's actually a really good view of the map if I were able to just stand there. Before it starts, I'm gonna click on the Pocket Rocket. Alright. Pocket Rocket. Oh, wait, does my... Oh, it changes from 4 to 5. No, I don't want Bomb Selector. Pocket Rocket, wait. Oh! Oh, he's the guy who won. Hello! Pocket Rocket. Please. Give me the Pocket Rocket. Pocket Rocket, please. Please. Please, before the game starts. Yes! Okay, thank you. You know, I'm not gonna start... Oh. Yeah, you are. Alright. Start. Okay, so, like, to start the game, I'm assuming you just put it in the portal. Because, like that guy did right there, he just went up and at it, yeah. Let's see. Prepare to explode. Okay, I want to go here again. If I don't die, okay. Alright, what is this? Boost? Oh, okay, so, like, it can throw me. No, okay, okay, so maybe that's not my special abilities. What's Bomb Dropper? I wonder what that is. No, when I meant special abilities, I meant, like, not one of my upper level abilities. I'm just not good at that one. Wait, what's this? Oh, no, I didn't even last to the TNT rain. How to play. Upon spawning, you will be shot into the sky and land safely. Once you've landed, you can fight to the death. The final player standing wins and gets a short celebration. Sweet. I mean, if it were a long celebration, that would be a while. Alright, so this time we're going to go with Bomb Dropper. Expect lag, which, honestly, right now, it kind of is. There's a lot of gamer tags jumbled up in one spot. But I wonder what the Bomb Dropper does. Is, like, if any of you played Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2, if you're the cactus, you can leave potato mine. This is not the Bomb Dropper. I clicked on the Bomb Dropper, and this is not the Bomb Dropper. Like, what the... Oh, I still hit him. Okay. Let me... I will throw these at you, and you are not going to like it. Oh. Oh, no. Wait, can he actually hit me with his hand? Wait, how does this even work? Oh, no, the TNT. Oh, the TNT's aggressive. No, my God! Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna leave the video here. But, if you guys wanted to see a part 2 to this, where you would have the Bomb Dropper, the Sniper, and the Ranger, be sure to click the like button, and comment in the comment section below if you would like to see a part 2. Thank you, please subscribe, and click the bell.